Vir ons Afrikaans sprekende mense daar buitekant, wil jy graag dollars verdien? For our English speaking people, would you like to earn dollars? Legacy Builder Program. It's an online business. Dis 'n aanlyn besigheid. Wel, jy kan gemoedsrus kry deur die einde van die maand wanneer jy jou rekeninge betaal om in dollars geld te verdien. So, skakel my, inbox my, WhatsApp my. You can WhatsApp me if you want to earn dollars and don't have a stressful end month not paying your bills. With this legacy program, you can easily pay your bills by earning dollars. Let me know in the comments or WhatsApp me. Feel free to phone me as well. Have a nice day.